Running to catch the bus, my backpack fell open. Wait, was the backpack running? Probably not. That sentence has a dangling modifier. A dangling modifier is a descriptive phrase that does not clearly connect to the word it is supposed to describe. The description is kind of hanging there, attached to the wrong thing. Here's the trick. When a sentence starts with a descriptive phrase, check the word right after the comma. Is that word doing the action? In this sentence, the phrase is running to catch the bus, but the next word is my backpack. Backpacks cannot run, so the modifier is dangling. Here's the fix. Running to catch the bus, I dropped my backpack and it fell open. Now, I comes right after the phrase, so the sentence makes sense. One more. While cooking dinner, the smoke alarm started beeping. Was the smoke alarm cooking? Nope. Dangling modifier.